Eloise is asking, if you want to do lead magnet, which objective is suitable to opt for? Now, if your lead magnet is a website, is on the website, is a form on website, and you have everything on the website structure, go for conversion. Anything on the conversion. Or if your lead magnet is maybe a different one, then probably you can actually either go for lead gen or something. But I believe for your case, if you're doing lead magnet, it should be using a website and sign up to get something, right? Conversion. Conversion is better. And essentially go for conversion and go for complete registration or lead capture. You know how to do that, right? Go into the event manager and save. I mean, just create it as an event, and eventually you can run ads using that. Okay, so yeah, go for conversion if you have a website. And if you don't have a website, then we can use something else like, which I don't believe that's your case. Lead magnet is powerful, but lead magnet is something very tricky. Sometimes we thought that, oh, this is going to work, but, turns out it may not, right? So that's how it works.